This video is in partnership with Over and Out Advanced Fire Ant Killer, and today's video is all about maintaining things around your home. It is so important to know the basic preventative maintenance around your home. It helps to keep the house in good condition and maintain its value, and it also helps to keep small problems from becoming a big one. There's two things that I love to do around our home, and that is painting and gardening and taking care of our yard as a whole, because curb appeal does matter. I shared that years ago and I still love it. I'm tackling a few tasks outside that need some attention. We have fire ant mounds in certain spots in our yard, and if you entertain in your yard, protect your family and your pets with Over and Out Advanced Fire Ant Killer. We've tried so many brands of Fire Ant Killer on our yard, but what I love most about Over and Out Fire Ant Killer is that it's a ready-to-use formula that is guaranteed to kill fire ants right on contact, and it also protects on new invasions for up to 6 months. After spreading your granules, water your yard immediately. If you know Florida at all, you already know that it can rain at any time. This is a few days later. You do not want to apply it within 24 hours of raining. It is best to spread your granules in the morning or in the evening. They are closer to the surface and they will eat the granules and take it back to the colony. It will kill the fire ant queen and the colony. You can also use Over and Out not only on your lawn, you can use it on landscape areas, residential buildings, to ensure your outdoor living spaces are protected and ready to be enjoyed this spring and summer season. I'll be sure to leave a link to Over and Out Advanced Fire Ant Killer in my description box. Whatever air conditioning system you have, be sure to check your filter on a regular basis. Some filters may require 90 days. I like to check mine maybe once every 2 months just to make sure it's not clogged. I was taking mine out. It's not too bad. I kind of beat it up trying to take it out because it was like a pipe in the way, but I got it out. But it doesn't look too bad. I mean, not bad. Be sure to place the filter into the return. There should be an arrow on it, and write the date the filter was replaced to keep up with the time between changes. While you're at it, add some vinegar down your drain lines. We like to use vinegar instead of bleach because bleach can cause corrosion. If you have like copper tubing in your AC drain line, you may even risk spilling bleach on your carpet or clothes, where vinegar will only just leave an odor. In my garage, so one of the things that you want to make sure of, and that is making sure you lubricate the rollers on your garage door so that your garage door can freely go, up and down really nicely. And I like to use WD-40 Specialists and lubricate them really well. Now I have a 3-car garage, so I do all of them at the same time, and I do it every spring, because if you don't, they can sometimes rust or maybe even break. And I'm sure I'm not alone. Nobody likes to do this, and that's cleaning out the gutters. The drain definitely needs to be cleaned out regularly, and make sure that the water is draining properly. If not, over time, it will cause roof rot. Deep clean your vacuum. It will help improve your home's air quality. Deep cleaning removes the dirt, the dust, the allergens. I know it sounds strange to clean something that cleans, but if not, all vacuums have filters. Over time, it will look like this, just dirty and nasty. I'm giving them a quick rinse. After, I will put them on the porch to air dry. My kitchen chair and my area rug is getting a little bit of a spot deep cleaning. I'm not the one to wait to clean the stain. It annoys me to no end, so I'm using my Hoover Clean Slate to tackle this job. The Hoover Stain Remover Cleaner works wonders, you guys. I didn't even have to pre-treat it. I mean, you just spray and go. I love that it's small yet mighty and powerful enough to get the stains out. My dad and uncle helped me tackle the driveway, sidewalk, and entryway. This is the before, and we are using Zep concrete cleaner. We tackled it early in the morning before it started getting hot. Dad insisted on doing this. I didn't make him do it, you guys, but I did help when he got tired. He worked all his life, so this is just who he is. You guys got to get this Ryobi surface cleaner. I'm telling you, it got the job done quickly. We have 30 windows in our home, and I've been cleaning just a few a day, and keeping your windows clean will help your windows look great for the years to come. If you neglect your windows, it may damage them, even the seal, and you want to protect the indoor air quality of your home. It's an aesthetic thing for me. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will have more to come this week, so be on the lookout. Be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, where I show things that I don't really show here. And I want to thank you all for watching.